Have you ever heard about NFTs, but wondered what they really are? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of NFTs, Non-Fungible Tokens, and I'll show you exactly how they work, plus how you can make, buy, and sell them yourself. Ready to unlock the future of digital art and collectibles? Let's get started. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on the latest crypto tips, and drop a like if you find this video helpful. Part 1. What are NFTs? So what are NFTs? Simply put, NFTs are unique digital assets that represent ownership of something like art, music, videos, or even collectibles. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible, meaning each coin is the same as another, NFTs are one of a kind. This uniqueness makes them valuable. Think of them as the digital version of rare collectibles like trading cards or limited edition art. Part 2. How do NFTs work? NFTs are created and exist on a blockchain, usually Ethereum. When an artist or creator makes an NFT, they mint it on the blockchain, giving it a unique identity. This identity proves ownership, authenticity, and scarcity. So when you buy an NFT, you're purchasing proof that you own a one-of-a-kind digital item. Example: think about buying a famous painting. When you purchase the NFT version, you hold the original proof of ownership, even though copies of that artwork can still be shared or seen online. Part 3. How to make an NFT step by step. Now, let's get into the exciting part: how to make your own NFT. Here's a quick step-by-step guide for beginners. Step 1. Create your digital asset. This could be a piece of digital art, music, a video, or any other form of digital creation. Step 2. Choose an NFT marketplace. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, or Mintable are popular choices. Step 3. Connect your crypto wallet. You'll need a wallet like MetaMask with some ETH to cover minting fees. Step 4. Upload your digital file. Once uploaded, you'll be asked to mint it as an NFT, which will involve paying a gas fee. Step 5. Set a price and list your NFT for sale. And that's it. Once it's listed, your NFT is available for people to buy or bid on. Pretty simple, right? Part 4. How to buy and sell NFTs. Now, if you're more interested in buying or selling NFTs, here's how it works. Buying an NFT. Head over to a marketplace like OpenSea or Rarible. Browse for NFTs you like, connect your crypto wallet, and either buy directly or place a bid. Once the transaction is confirmed, the NFT is yours. Selling an NFT. If you want to sell an NFT you own, simply go to your account on the marketplace, choose the NFT, and list it for sale. Set your price and the terms, and wait for a buyer. Think of NFTs as digital trading cards. You can buy them, hold them, and sell them at a profit when their value increases. Part 5. Pros and cons of NFTs. Before you rush off to create or buy your first NFT, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. NFTs give creators a new way to monetize their digital work. Buyers get to own a unique piece of digital art or content. NFTs can appreciate in value over time, making them an investment opportunity. Cons. NFTs can be expensive to mint due to high gas fees. The market is volatile, and the value of NFTs can drop. Environmental concerns arise due to the energy-intensive nature of blockchains like Ethereum. Isn't this fascinating? If you're finding value in this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of crypto and NFTs. And if you've already created or bought an NFT, let me know your experience in the comments. Part 6. Tips for navigating the NFT space. Finally, here are a few quick tips for navigating the NFT world. 1. Do your research. Make sure to understand the project or artist behind the NFT before you buy. 2. Use a secure wallet. Always use a trusted crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. 3. Watch out for gas fees. Minting NFTs can be pricey, so be mindful of the transaction fees. 4. Don't spend more than you're willing to lose. NFTs are still new and can be speculative, so only invest what you can afford. That's your beginner's guide to NFTs. What they are, how they work, and how you can start making, buying, and selling them. Whether you're a creator or a collector, NFTs offer exciting new ways to engage with digital assets. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more crypto content and leave a comment if you're ready to dive into the NFT world.